Good morning. Today we're in Trang An, and this is a beautiful part of Ninh Binh. Has rowing boat rides, limestone casts all around us. It's a fantastic area. Weather was really chucking it down with rain this morning, so we're now blessed with a bit of sunshine and clear skies, clearish skies. So here we are. This is the entrance to Trang An. I'm just about to go and get a ticket. There are a few different types of tickets to take. There are 3 routes, and you can decide which one to take at the ticket office. So if you can see that, we've got 3 routes there. Lots of stops, caves, and beautiful scenery to see. I think I'll probably go for the longest one. That will probably be route 1. Tickets are all the same price, so hi, could I have 1 ticket for route 1?
Yeah, 51 person.
250, okay. How long does that take?
About 3 hours.
3 hours, okay. And route 2 and route 3, how long do they take?
Same.
Oh, 3 hours.
Sorry, but more people, one boat. She waits more people.
Okay, so I have to wait till more people come, yeah?
Sorry, today I think you go route number 2.
Oh, really?
To better because of the big rain.
Ah,
Big water.
so the caves are...
Route 1 or route 3. Inside route 10 and head down so much.
So need to go scuba diving instead. Okay.
1 ticket.
Okay, thank you.
Today is mainly raining.
Yeah,
I think raincoat or umbrella.
Okay.
Before getting on the boat.
okay.
Information.
Okay.
West boat station.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so because of the rains, it looks like route 1 and route 3 are closed. Obviously, the caves are filled up with water. You're not going to go through the caves in a rowing boat. So she mentioned an umbrella and a rain jacket. As always, I'm well prepared. I didn't bring it either, but I'm hoping they have a cover on the boat, so we'll see how that goes. Okay. Thank you. Jam-packed as usual. Some interesting statues. Hi.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I have to wait until there's about 4 people. Normally that's not such a problem, but now, during the situation, it could take a while.
3 1 boat.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
So route 3 had some guests already waiting, so I'm going to jump on with them. Saves me waiting 3 hours. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How's the other?
95 cân.
9 lăng không? Yeah, 9 lăng.
Hello.
Không.
Nước nè.
Ăn. Ăn. So I'm just explaining that I'm 95 kilos, getting on this wafer thin boat is a challenge, but we're on already. So let's go. Trang An boat ride. There's the other guys waiting to take people. So yeah, basically route 1, I could have been waiting quite a while for somebody to join in on the boat. So other people were going route 3, so I thought I'll just do route 3. I think I did a different route with my brother, so this is a new route for me. New route for you. All these ladies waiting for work. It's really sad that there's no customers. Right. So we just stopped at a little temple on the way around on Route 3. Some cool little buildings here. Very cool. I don't think the others wanted to stop, but so they stopped for me. So I'm only going to spend a few minutes here. There's some great trees here as well. Fantastic. Some rocks built into it. Okay, so the water levels have risen obviously from the rain, so we've had to sit off the seats and into the boat itself. Otherwise I'll bang my head. So I definitely would have banged my head going into this cave. Ooh, he's on. Tight squeeze now. Well, that was certainly an experience. The water levels have risen so much during the rainfall last night and this morning that we had to sit inside the boat on the floor, and even then there were some occasions where I nearly smashed my head against the cave. So we've took another stop. There's another temple here in another gorgeous location. Trang An is just superb. I would say it's better than the Tamcock rowing boat experience by far. Even when I didn't get the route that I wanted, Route 1, the second choice, Route 2, was available, but the number of people that are here is very limited, so due to COVID. So I took the Route 3, which meant I got on the boat straight away because there was a few people waiting. So I'm just going to have a walk around here. This is just amazing. You can see our lady just disappearing around the corner. We'll meet up with her later. But just take all this in. Stunning. So if you wanted to do a day trip, including Baiding Pagoda, which was what I filmed yesterday, have a look in the description. There should be a link to that video, along with the Trang An rowing boat experience, do contact us when you can come to Vietnam, that is. Or if you are living in Vietnam, an expat, and you want to do this trip, just give us a call, email, wherever, and we'll sort you out. The difference between now and before is it probably will be a private tour. Group tours are very far and few between because there's not many people here, no tourists, so no groups. So it may be a little bit more expensive. But you see the views here. You can see it's definitely worth coming. So we're going to check out this temple and see what that's all about. This guy's telling me to get a second wife. Okay. So I'm getting married.
Này ông lấy vợ người Việt Nam.
Rồi đến đó nè.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So that's that done. I'm now going to go get my motorbike. So I'll see you all guys later. Cheers.